How to turn on two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password when you log into Snapchat from a new device. To enable it, open the Snapchat app, tap your Bitmoji profile icon, then the gear icon to access settings. Scroll until you see two-factor authentication and tap Continue. Next, choose either SMS or authentication app like Google Authenticator to receive your login codes. Let's choose the Authenticator app option. This is more secure. First of all, install your chosen app, such as Google Authenticator. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Google Authenticator and download it. Open the app, tap Get Started and log in with a Google account. Get back to Snapchat again and two-factor authentication, then authentication app and set up manually. Then copy the code and go to the newly installed app. Then tap on Add a code, then enter a setup key. Write Snapchat in code name box and paste the generated code into your key box and tap on Add to complete the setup. Once setup is complete, Snapchat will require both your password and a time-sensitive verification code to log in on a new device. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone has your password. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.